Sansun, money maker equipment.
Founded in Mexico in the 50s, Sansun is specialist manufacturer of industrial kitchen equipment. Our products are renowned for their exceptional quality, reliability, and durability. These guiding principles have not only shaped our reputation, but also established our dominance in the national market. Our expertise lies in the fabrication of stainless steel equipment and components alongside carbon steel products. With 3 plants spanning over 50,000 square yards in Mexico, we utilize state-of-the-art machinery tailored for large-scale industrial production. Our facilities are equipped with a range of equipment including laser cutters, CNC punch presses, bending machines, welding stations, industrial robotics, computerized machining centers, foundries, stamping presses, electrostatic painting facilities, and assembly lines. All operations are managed by skilled personnel, ensuring quality throughout our industrial processes we offer at competitive market rates, coupled with punctual delivery schedules.
Sansun, money maker equipment.